invite you to browse through the metal vehicles next door. You'll find a huge selection of knuckle gear and genuine Harley Davidson items as well as digital items for your inspection.
Welcome to Sturgis Motorcycle Rally 2023.
Down, call Russ Brown. 1-800-4BIKERS. Molly Brown Color Radio.
Looking for an AR-15? Get your AR-15 build kit for only $299. That's right, an AR-15 build kit for only $299 at Durkin Tactical in the old Armory Building off Junction on Main Street in Sturgis.
Best place for breakfast in Main Street, hands down, or lunch.
Music from Mountain Jimmy Henderson, Kansas are on the way after the Molly Brown New
No rally prices here. Rally Sports Lounge, 25 Jackson.
Come see us at Indian Motorcycle Exhibit.
When you're out here at a rally, I think the best thing to use is a GoPro. I'm on a GoPro 9 Black right now, so just so you know what I'm filming with. Jack Daniels.
What's up? Work out like crazy. This is an awesome setup.
Appreciate it. This is like my man cave away from home.
This is awesome.
You do work, come work out, productive. You got a 5-hour run.
Okay, post a comment. What's your favorite bike? Harley Davidson, Indian Motorcycle, or are you just watching a video for the chicks? All right, thumbs up either way.
I'm so pumped.
You are gonna not only gonna love the platform, but what Jake's done. I've worked with projects on Jake before. Jake is a total badass. You're gonna have an insane motorcycle, and I haven't seen it yet, but I know it's gonna be amazing.
I'm beyond excited.
Cool.
Yeah.
Should we go check this sucker out?
Yeah, I'm ready. You guys are ready?
All right.
Let's do it.
I think it's gonna be cool.
1, 2, 3.
And back in 2014, never had an idea of getting my motorcycle's license, but then as soon as I won the bike, I felt, for me, an escape, a way to tune everything out in the world, because you're just on the road, you're listening to yourself and the wind, and it really was like a little therapy.
Oh, it is amazing. Come on, stop by. Go get your bike cleaned by me. I'll see you guys later.
Awesome. Thank you.
Of course. I think when you were in Myrtle, you saw Katie was the other girl that was working in Myrtle.
Katie.
Yeah.
So I'm on spoilers. Check out Mr. High. We have a electronically adjustable exhaust system, so you can be quiet and loud as well. So it's all made in Holland. It's been around 25 years, but it's new to the U.S.
Nice. Wow.
So it starts off quiet. Here, check this out. Press the button.
Dude, that's cool. Wow.
Hi, keep watching from Sturgis and check out rumblon.com, baby.
Hell yeah. That's awesome.
This valve inside. And so when it's closed, all the gases go through these perforations into a packing made out of Nomex, where they make like racing suits out of. So you have to repack it. So that goes through these different chambers and into our packing, and it muffles the sound. Then you press that button, and then there's a servo motor that opens the valve, and you get a free-flowing exhaust.
Now, can you do that on a Harley?
We have it for Harleys. My colleagues took both of our 2 Harleys away, but we do have for all Harleys, all Indians, and BMW and Triumph as well.
So any bike?
Yeah, not any bike, but those 4 brands.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
Thank you. Oh, wait. Welcome to Sturgis Bike Rally 2023. Come see us at Rumble On. Keep watching.
If you're interested in that, there's the info. That's awesome, dude.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah.
Hey, thanks for the demo, brother.
Hey, no worries, man. Luck with Sturgis.
Come see these ladies at the BMW exhibit. Do y'all know anything about these BMWs at all?
They're awesome. They are.
There you go.
They're fast. They look awesome. We have specialists that can answer your questions.
All right, perfect. Good answer.
Okay.
All right, ladies, thank you.
Of course. Have a great day.
Guys, they rode, how many hours is it?
Only 3,000 miles on the Harley. Round trip.
They did not trailer, guys. They did not trailer. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
We're out here at Sturgis 2023.
2023 Sturgis, what's up?
Yeah, check his stuff out here. He's got, can you tell us about your product?
I can. Wild Ass Seats, wild-ass.com. Everything you need, we can fit your motorcycle and make you ride pain-free all day. So what we're selling you is a better, more pleasurable experience of your ride through here in the Black Hills.
So what you're saying, if you're riding over here to Sturgis, you might want this if you're riding 1,000 miles or something.
If you're
right?
riding anywhere, if you're from Florida, if you're riding anywhere, we cool underneath, we allow airflow,
to keep you nice and cool, keep the sweat away, keep your ass dry. That's the big key to being comfortable, is dry and getting rid of pressure. We distribute pressure, no pain, wheelchair cushion technology, brought it to the fun side of the world where we can all enjoy it here.
Awesome, and check out his popular podcast he has. So when are you airing?
Wild Ass Podcast basically comes out every other Monday. Find it anywhere podcasts can be played. Apple, Spotify, Google, Amazon, wherever you listen to podcasts, you'll find it.
Look at this beast. Street 6 out here at Sturgis, about to go in J&P Cycles. Hey, getting a lot of content. Just wanted to let y'all know that it's going to probably be daily upload for the next, I want to say about 30 days. That's how much content we got. So we're going to do our normal videos, mud stuff, whatever we're doing. And then, but look for influx in videos. So turn them notifications on, check them all out. And don't forget, if you have Instagram, check us out, Prime Cut Pro, and you'll see what we're doing when we're doing it. So give us a shout, we'll follow you back.
Welcome to Sturgis.
One more pose, bud, bye. Love the outfit.